Ever wondered how to transform
photos into sharp, high-quality images? Today, we're diving into the world of AI to enhance your images using Canva, a free AI image upscaler and enhancer tool. So, let's get started. Step 1. Log into Canva. If you don't have an account yet, it's quick and easy to set one up. Step 2. Once you're logged in, click on a Create Design from the home page. Step 3. Now, select Blank Edit and customize the size. For this tutorial, we'll use 1000 by 1000 px. Step 4. On the editor page, select App and search for Enhancer. This is where the magic happens. Step 5. It's time to upload your image. Click on Upload, choose an image you want to enhance and upscale. Don't forget to turn on the Enhance Face button if your image includes faces. Step 6. Now, click on the Enhance Image button. Wait for a moment as Canva's AI works its magic to enhance your image. Step 7. Once your image is enhanced, add it to your design if you're happy with it. If not, no worries. You can always start over. Pro tip: if the enhancement isn't quite what you envisioned, don't fret. You can always hit the back button and try again with a different image, or even explore Canva's other editing tools for further customization. Step 8. Finally, share your design. Show off your newly enhanced image to the world. You've just learned how to improve image quality with AI using Canva. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, so make yours count. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials on AI technology tools and their applications. Until next time, keep exploring.